Hello everyone, welcome to World Endoscopy channel. I am Adil, and today we are going behind the scenes of one of the most important procedures in modern medicine, endoscopy. Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside an endoscopy room? How can a tiny flexible camera help doctors detect serious diseases inside the human body? Endoscopy is a modern medical procedure that allows doctors to examine the digestive tract using a flexible instrument called an endoscope. This procedure is commonly used to evaluate symptoms such as abdominal pain, vomiting, bleeding, difficulty swallowing, and unexplained weight loss. Endoscopy plays a crucial role in early detection of diseases, including ulcers, gastritis, infections, and even gastrointestinal cancers. Before starting the procedure, the patient is carefully prepared. Vital signs such as blood pressure, oxygen saturation, and heart rate are continuously monitored to ensure patient safety. The patient is usually kept on fasting for several hours to ensure a clear view during the examination. The endoscope is a thin, flexible tube equipped with a high-definition camera and a powerful light source at its tip. This device transmits real-time images to a monitor, allowing the doctor to clearly visualize the internal lining of the esophagus, stomach, and intestines. During the procedure, the doctor gently advances the endoscope through the digestive tract while carefully examining every area. If any abnormal findings such as inflammation, ulcers, bleeding, or suspicious lesions are seen, they are recorded for further analysis, and in some cases, small tissue samples known as biopsies are taken for laboratory testing to confirm the diagnosis. After the procedure is completed, the endoscope is immediately transferred to the reprocessing area. Here, strict cleaning protocols are followed, including manual cleaning, high-level disinfection, and proper drying. This step is extremely important to prevent cross-infection between patients and ensure complete patient safety. Endoscopy is one of the most valuable tools in modern medicine. It not only helps in accurate diagnosis, but also plays a significant role in guiding treatment decisions. With continuous advancements in technology, endoscopy has become safer, faster, and more effective than ever before. For more educational content on endoscopy and medical procedures, please make sure to subscribe to the World Endoscopy channel to stay updated with all of our latest professional videos.